Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to slow down video on Snapchat using your Android phone. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app and let's take a video. Just swipe left, the filter will change. And if the snail appear, your video will slow down. And if the rabbit appear, your video will pass forward. Now, let's go back to snail. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!